How to send message on TikTok. So if you want to send a DM or direct message on TikTok, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Then while on For You page, following or explore, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, once you click on profile icon at the bottom right, click on either following or followers to see your following list, and then select whoever you want to send the message to. Then once you click on the profile of the person you want to send the message to, then here you can just click on send this. Then this is going to pop up message. So if you see the emoji first on the page, then what you're going to see is emoji to send a message or send a message on the profile. So once you send the message in the profile, just go ahead and click on the plain icon beside message to proceed. Then you can just start to initiate chat here directly into this person's DM. You can also do this on your followers list. So if you want to send your followers a DM, just go ahead and click on followers. Then once you select the followers, you see all your followers here. Then click on the followers you want to send a message on TikTok. There you go. Then you should see the message icon. Then go ahead and click on message. Then you can start to send a message. However, if you want to send a message on TikTok For You page or on TikTok feed, let's say you go through TikTok feed and you have a message and you see someone you want to send a message to, all you just need to do is click on the person's profile like this, then tap message, then you can initiate a message whether you follow the person or not on TikTok. And once you send the message, the person will have to accept the message manually. Otherwise, your message will keep pending in the inbox and the person will have to go to request, and then you have the message request here. Until the person accepts this, you'll not be able to have a response from the person whether the message is received or not. So that is basically how to send a message on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.